Hi, my name is Siren Andres. I am studying UNAT. I have reading also many times. At first it was hard for me because I didn't know how to write a host book every time. I even learned a lot to tricks about it. Almost always vacation I go to my grandfather. I found that that is how Espen is capable. Mom died if he never for him. I I remember that I was learning how to ride a horse. I bought shoes as starting dance band. I bent to ride the horse. I felt the horse began to move. I the frame down. Hi, hi. I had never ridden a root beer before. Each bash whole boo at the same time. It was exciting. I often remember those times. I said to to exercício. Municipality at the time as usual and unusually meal that never anticipated. Third to stay it was a usual times. Thank you. Bye.